How many of y'all are affected by other people's energies and you don't know the source? You don't know who it is. You don't know how it happened. It just affects you. And then how many of y'all, when somebody affects you, you know who it is. You know exactly who it is. Because here's the thing. Whether you know it or not, doesn't really matter. The most important thing is we release it so we don't feel it, right? Because sometimes you don't know the source. It could be you're walking down, the subway and it was some person 4 rows down that you never even saw it is affecting you. And you didn't even see them. So it doesn't matter if you knew who they were. Your mind can't possibly pinpoint and figure out who it is because you didn't even see them. You didn't even know they were there, right? But if you don't know who it is, that's okay too. Because the reality is you just have to know, you have to be aware. The number one step, or the most important step, is just being aware that you're not yourself and the energy that's affecting you is not yours and that you need to release it. That's it. So you can be and experience your authentic energy and frequency.